Hello YouTube, MF Religion here. There's breaking news coming in regarding Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So, apparently, Jose Mourinho wants Zlatan Ibrahimovic to join him at Manchester United in the summer. Obviously, that's according to reports, but it's rumours, obviously. It's not confirmed news or anything. So, let's get straight into it. So, Le Sport 10 claimed that the Paris Saint-Germain striker is so certain he'll be heading to Old Trafford at the end of the season that he is already playing for life in the Premier League. Mourinho is the favourite to succeed Louis van Gaal if United sack the Dutchman after a disappointing campaign. The former Real Madrid and Chelsea manager is said to have identified the need for a world-class centre-back, midfielder and striker when he takes over. Meanwhile, United have stepped up their pursuit of Renato Sanchez, and I've done a video of that before, so go check that out. But here I'm focusing on Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So, Ibrahimovic, world-class striker. I don't think that he's past the quality. He's gone better by age. I don't think he's gone past his quality. He's still a great striker, and he's like a Fellaini basically. He's big, strong, target man, but he's got much more skill on the ball. He can pass, unlike Fellaini, and he can shoot and he can score goals. For one season, if he comes and does the job like Robin van Persie did for Ferguson's last season, then I don't mind. But we definitely need a world-class centre back or centre backs, midfielder, and a striker. And Ibrahimovic wouldn't be too bad, to be honest. And he's admitted before that he wants to work with Jose Mourinho again. If Jose Mourinho is taking over Manchester United, then I think that this deal could potentially go through and we could get him on a free transfer. So anyways, please like this video and subscribe because I'm going to be going over lots of transfer news today, and I'll see you guys later.